classes of English. In today's video, I will teach you about business letters. Business letters are also a kind of formal letter, and there are four types of business letters. Four types mean there are four types of questions based on business letters. Third type of letter, business letter, is placing order. So when you are satisfied with the price, terms and conditions, you are placing order to a company or to a shop to buy or purchase some items. So this letter is known as placing order. After inquiry letter, sending quotation, there is third type of business letter, and this third type is placing order. Okay, placing order. How to place an order? How to place an order? When inquiry of price has been made, and inquiry and reply of the inquiry of price has also been sent by the company. So now this third stage is placing order. So you are placing order. Being the principal of a school, you are placing. For example, you are placing an order with Sports India Limited for the delivery of sports goods. So how will you manage this letter? You are the principal and your school is organizing a sports week, and you have asked about the price, terms and conditions which has been sent to you, and now you are satisfied with the price, terms and conditions, and you are sending a letter to the Sports India Limited and placing an order. How to place an order? The format will remain the same. Sender being the principal of the school, you are the sender. You will mention the name of the school here, Sunrise Public School, Meerut. And then after leaving a line, you will mention the date on the day when you are writing, and then reference number any 1 2 3 4 any you can make reference number, and address of addressee to whom you are writing to the sales manager of Sports India Limited, New Delhi. The sales manager, Sports India Limited, New Delhi. So this is the address of addressee. Subject, you will mention subject, and again the subject you will make a heading. Heading is placing order of sports goods. Placing order of sports goods. This is your subject. And salutation same, dear sir, oblique madam. Dear sir and madam, and after leaving one line, para-wise you will write para 1, 2 and 3, which I will mention. Okay, further, and then after mentioning all three paragraphs, you will write closing line, which I will also mention, and then you will write thanking you, yours faithfully, and name and sign, whatever the name is given in the question. For example, you are A.K. Singh, principal. So you will make a sign, A.K. Singh, write name, and also write a designation, principal of Sunrise Public School. Okay, and then you will start writing para-wise. So in para 1 of placing order, so this is the letter for placing order. You are placing order. So para 1. So you will start writing para 1. From here you will start writing. So then you will start writing the first line of para 1. You will make a reference to quotation received. You have received the quotation that is list of price and terms and conditions. So you will make a reference. This is with reference to. This is in response to your quotation letter, your quotation which we have received on any date. So this is in reference to your quotation, and quotation number, any number 1 2 3 4, dated any back date. So you will mention the quotation. We have received the quotation from your company on dated this, and now you will not write about the introduction, because previous correspondence has been made. A letter you have written about inquiry of price, and in response to your inquiry, quotation also has been sent to you. So now you will not write any introduction. You will just write the reference to the quotation. This is in response to the quotation sent by your company on dated this, and we have received it. And then you will show that being agree with price, terms and conditions, and we are satisfied with your price, terms and conditions. We are satisfied with your price, terms and conditions. And this is our order. Our order is as follows. We are satisfied with your price, terms and condition, and our order is as follows. And in para second, you will mention the order. You will place the order in a tabular form. Tabular form will be serial number, item, code, quantity. Serial number, for example, 01. Item, football. Okay, football. Football, which one? Puma, for example, Puma. And quantity 100 pieces. Mention 100 pieces. So in this way you will mention at least 4. You will mention at least 4 or 5 sports items. Okay, in the serial number, for example, football, Puma, quantity 100 pieces. So in this way you will mention 4 sports items. Okay, and after mentioning 4 items you will change the paragraph. In paragraph 3 you will mention again some things, and these things are in paragraph 3 you will make a sentence about advance payment being sent. How much advance payment you are sending? We are sending an advance payment of 20,000 rupees. We are sending an advance payment of rupees 20,000 through a demand draft number this, or through a check number this. Mode, which mode you are sending this advance payment? So we are sending an advance payment of rupees 20,000 or 30,000 through a account payee check, or through a demand draft number this, anyway. Okay, and then you will seek for advance, then you will seek for credit facility. You will seek for credit facility, and we also seek for 1 month credit facility. You can make a sentence, we seek for 1 month credit facility on and discount, and you will also ask about the discount. We also seek for 10% discount on bulk order. 10% discount we also seek for, or we also hope for 10% discount on bulk order. Safe delivery of goods. So safe delivery, the goods delivered should reach to us safe and secured and packed properly. Safe and secured and packed properly. And we are not responsible for any damage occurred during transportation. We are not responsible for any damage occurred during transportation. And also mention deadline of delivery of goods. Deadline, the order should reach to us. The order should reach to us within 10 days of the issue of this letter. The order should reach to us within 10 days of issue of this letter. So ये deadline mention करना है, and it mention any deadline to which the order should reach to you. Okay, within 10 days or within 1 month. And then otherwise also mention that otherwise cancellation. Yani if you fail to deliver the goods by within 10 days, the order will be cancelled. The order will be deemed cancelled. The order will be deemed cancelled, or order will be cancelled. The order should reach to us. The delivery of goods should reach to us within 10 days. Otherwise, the order will be deemed cancelled. And then closing line, last line, close with hope or request. So you will close with a hope or request. We hope for a quick and positive response from your side. Okay. So this is the way format and paragraph-wise content of the letter placing order. You can draft this letter properly. I hope that you would have liked this video. So please like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe the channel Absolute Classes of English, and also don't forget to press the bell icon for new and further educational updates. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.